Crisis is a temporary state of severe emotional disorganization caused by failure of coping mechanisms and lack of support. Grief is a natural emotional response to loss that individuals must experience as they attempt to accept the loss, and it occurs in a series of stages. There are 5 stages of grief, that is denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. Difference between mourning and bereavement. Mourning is the outward and social expression of loss. Mourning may be dictated by cultural and religious beliefs. Bereavement includes the inner feelings and the outward reaction of the survivor. Palliative care focuses on caring interventions and symptoms management rather than cure for the disease and no longer responds to treatment. Pain and symptoms are controlled. The dying client should be pain free and as comfortable as possible. This care is given in hospice. Near death physiological manifestations. Hearing is believed to be the last sense lost, and the respirations may be rapid, shallow, and slow and irregular. It is known as Cheyne-Stokes respiration. We can see diurnal variation and rumination in moderate depression. Diurnal variation is the person may feel better at certain time of the day, such as in the morning. That is diurnal variation. Rumination is the persistent thinking about and discussion of a particular subject. For a client with severe depression with suicidal tendency, provide one-to-one supervision at all times. Restraints and seclusion. There are 2 types of restraints: physical restraints and chemical restraints. Physical restraints: any manual method or mechanical device, material, or equipment that inhibits free movement. Then chemical restraints: medications given for a specific purpose of inhibiting a specific behavior or movement and that have an impact on the client's ability to relate to the environment. Seclusion: a process in which a client is placed alone in a specifically designed room for protection and close supervision. Restraints require a written prescription by a physician, which must be reviewed and renewed every 24 hours. The prescription must specify the type of restraint to be used, the duration of the restraint or seclusion, and the criteria for release. Never use restraints or seclusion as a punishment. Such clients need one-to-one supervision and assessed every 15 to 30 minutes. Anger is the feeling of annoyance. Aggression can be harmful and destructive. Violence is physical force that is threatening to the safety of self and others. Maintain a large personal space and use a non-aggressive posture.